guys, Irah here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Irah and this is my sister. Hello? And this is my sister Syuhada.
Anyways, for today's video, we're gonna tie-dye because tie-dye is a trendy thing right now, and we are and you know, we wanna join the trend.
Yes, that's correct. We are going to tie-dye my hijab and what else?
I don't know, maybe my mask.
Yeah.
My mom. Anyways, she's going to tie-dye this hijab.
Yes.
So she was inspired by I don't know where.
No, I mean like by the trend, I guess.
Yeah, and like I think she saw it somewhere over the website, so like that gave motivation to tie-dye.
So today we're gonna tie-dye all of my hijab. Oh, by the way, this is cotton, and I also bought chiffon. I don't know if it works with chiffon material, but it's okay. But I know it's gonna work with cotton material. So the first main item that we need is obviously
Rubber bands.
no, it's this lah. You can use any white shirt, anything got to do with white shirt, white short, white sweatpants, white sweater, white whatever. Yeah.
White, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna turn into a ghost.
Stop it! So the next item that you need is obviously this tie-dye kit, which I bought in Shopee for $14. What are you doing?
Go Shopee, go TP. I don't know how to
Go Shopee, okay, whatever. They have bottles, rubber band, the powder itself, and glove, and all these things. This is all the colors. This is what I'm trying to achieve today. But do you think we can make this color? I already made this all watercolor. I already add the powder with the water, and this is all the color that I'm going to use for today hijab, for today tie-dye. And let's
get started.
So I wear my glove, and this is the two color that I'm going to use for the first tudung. Pink and blue, okay? So Syuhada going to do the swirl tie-dye using her mask.
Oh, but I'm just gonna have you know, like squirt. Anyways, this is chemical free, so like let's open. Like since just now we open it. So like let's see.
Oh, I think it turned out great, but it's pink.
Whoa!
Wow!
Guys,
that look beautiful, but it's pink. Oh my god, this is successful! Woohoo! The next color, I'm going to use this purple.
and she's not going to use any techniques.
Yeah.
I don't know, up to you.
Isn't it dog always?
1 hour later.
So we just finished tie-dye my hijab. So this is all of this. And now we have to wash in. I already wait for 1 hour. I don't want to wait like for too long because I want it to be pastel. So I'm going to wash this with cold water. And see you guys in a bit. So we're going to wash this. Wash until the color is all out. Looks like cotton candy, guys. I like it.
Okay, we are back after 1 hour of drying and waiting
And washing. How about you wanna show all the outcome? The first one, the mask.
my mask. I think I really like it, except for this thing which is for the fit for me, but it's fine. I can wear it like this. I mean, like look, it's like pink.
Is it too?
Hello, it's mine.
Can't you see the tie-dye? I mean, like.
I probably won't use this in school, but I would use it outside.
Yeah. I mean, it's very nice. The first hijab is this one. Oh my god, look at that.
I mean, I help her.
Yeah, this
Tie-dye.
is purple.
If not, she would like tie-dye dots, like these type of dots. Okay,
If I was
next
to wear
is
it-
this one.
Guys, do you like it?
Why does this smells like pandan?
Okay, so the second tie-dye hijab is this color. Actually, I don't really like this color. It's like it's not the color that I expected.
She didn't add enough powder.
Yeah.
Anyways, this smells like pandan.
It does.
Does smell like
Yeah, it does smell like pandan. This is the first one that we tried.
So this one is a blue and pink.
Are you gonna wear tudung? Berapa dek? 10? Okay, RM10. Dia jual
So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up.
And of course, for those of you guys who are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. And I'm now at 101 subscriber, I guess. Or yeah, I mean it's like whatever. It's growing, guys. It's growing. And if you enjoy this kind of tie-dye video, and comment down so we
Comment down for us to do a part 2, and I'll comment down my Instagram also, so follow me.
No, don't, guys. And bye. Okay, bye. Bye.